Babe, I made you a fruit smoothie.
Did you actually?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Bye. See ya, guys. Bye-bye.
I can't talk right now. I'm doing hot girl.
Fuck being good, I'm a bad bitch. I'm sick of motherfuckers trying to tell me how to live. Them hoes hate under my picture. It's on the gram. Bitch, you better.
Crazy, man. I almost lit it up at the table.
Ew.
What you mean, ew? Girls fart too.
No, we don't.
She's never done it.
Doesn't happen.
Why, because it's our first date, you act like you can't fart?
No, literally, I've never farted. Women don't fart. It's scientifically proven. What is with your infatuation with flatulence?
She farts.
This date's over.
You need to go in there. That's not cool.
That's not right.
All right. Look, baby, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to. God damn!
Golly, that was a good one.
Ooh, baby, when you like that, you make a woman go. So be what and keep on reading the signs of my.
Don't drop her. I can't get it.
Oh, I shouldn't have had that Taco Bell.
Hey, my daughter Anna is so sorry. She apologizes for all. Oh, God, sorry! Lay off the beans! Guess